An assignment is a quiz that you can set to one or more groups of students and track their progress. If you just want to share a quiz, you can use the URL. You can share a quiz with anyone even if they don't have an Ada account. But to set a quiz as an assignment, you must select the Teach option from the main menu bar. Click on Assignments. You'll see a list of all your quizzes and the option to make a new one if you wish. There are filters and sorting options to help you find the quiz you're looking for. Select the quiz you want by clicking on the Assign Unassigned button. Using the pop-up window, select the group or groups that you want to set a quiz to. Select the start date, which is optional. You can set a due date, which again is optional. The due date is purely advisory. Students can attempt any question on the platform as many times as they wish. And then you select Assign to a group. The students in the group will receive an email informing them that their work has been set. If you specified a start date, the email will be sent on that date. There will also be a visual alert on the students menu bar. You can track student progress in your Markbook, but this will be covered in another video.